Good evening everyone. My name is Reshma Sardar. My father's name is Rofikul Sardar and my mother's name is Mansura Sardar and I am from Tarnagor. I read in class 8. My hobby is drawing. In future I want to be a good doctor and really I feel proud to be a student of this esteemed institution. Thank you.
Thank you, Reshma. Next.
Hi, I am Ishita Gayan. My father's name is Vishwajit Gayan and my mother's name is Sharathi Gayan. I am extremely proud to be a student of English and student of memory. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Hi, I am Kushal Sardar. My father's name is Bhavana Sardar and my mother's name is Gita Sardar. I am coming from Kalidashpur. I am a student of class 8. My hobby is drawing. In future, I will try to be an engineer. I am extremely proud to be a student of Institute of English and Memory. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushal. Next আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করব এর পরের ক্লাস 7 কে এখানে আসার জন্য। ক্লাস 7 এর স্টুডেন্টকে এখানে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করব।